Hi, this is my product review for high city power strips. As you can see, you have 6 outlets, 3 for power cord outlet with grounds, and you have 3 USB ports, 2 with 1 amps and the other one with 2.1 amp, which is pretty useful if you're charging your iPods, cell phones. If you want to charge it really fast, it's really handy. I mean, it charge double the times faster. And this is your port. I mean your uh, power cord with a grounded one. And this is the size of your cord with this to wrap it around if you're not gonna use it or you're gonna bring it somewhere, which is pretty cool. So this is it for the review, and it comes with a lighting that shows if it's charging or not, and this is your on and off button. Pretty neat, pretty cool.